What is up guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a shortest video, or so you can say tutorial, and today we're gonna learn about how you can get sharp and crisp images for Instagram through Lightroom. And for this you have to keep in mind one key tip, that's do not let Instagram do the compression for you. So that means you have to take time to edit your photo. That means you have to go in a Lightroom, crop the photo according to the ratio 4:5 which Instagram required, and export with the right setting to upload it. For example, if you're going to upload a vertical style photo on Instagram, it's going to be 1080 pixel wide by 1350 pixel high, and if you're going to upload a square photo, it's going to be 1080 by 1080. So for this tutorial we are going to take a vertical style photo. Let's go to Lightroom and edit the photo. For example, I'm going to take this photo and we head over to crop tool, and we're going to crop it according to the 4:5 ratio which required by Instagram. So we're going to reframe it, and this look good for me. So yeah, done with the cropping. This is where you would like to pay attention. Go to files, export, and scroll down till image sizing, and resize to fit. Choose short edge from drop down menu and change pixel to 1080 pixel and resolution to 76 pixel per inch. And for output sharpening, choose screen and set amount to high and export it to the folder of your choice. Now pop that photo into your phone, open it up on Instagram, and now pinch, and that's all. Now you got the photo. Just hit share. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.